have Mr. Erwin Kulanag, is founding chairman, Huwarang Malaya sa pagtulong sa komunidad.
To our Mr. History Maker, our good friend, Dan Mangahas, palakpakan po natin, of Gawad Pilipino. Our awardees, leading the role is General Rances, Sir General Omar, among others, ang ating mga magigiting po na members ng City Council ng lungsod ng Quezon. Palakpakan po natin. Magandang gabi. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Six score and 6 years ago, our first revolutionary president, General Emilio Aguinaldo, declared our independence from Spain in Cavite del Viejo in Kawit, Cavite. Popularly known in history, on June 12, 1898, the first Filipino flag was hoisted by President Aguinaldo as a symbol of victory of the new republic. Today, we commemorate the 126th Independence Day with a national theme, Kalayaan, Kinabukasan, Kasaysayan. This basically showcase our freedom, our future, and our history. My dear friends, the real essence of this celebration is to gain that Solomonic wisdom from our lessons from the past, the values that we hold dear, and how we apply them in our personal and professional lives. Tonight, we have gathered before us the awardees of Gawad Pilipino, who have raised their own flag of patriotism. They are the men and women of unquestionable integrity, whose achievements are unparalleled. These personalities value the so-called life work instead of working in order to earn a living. Second to God, this crowd has exemplified what it meant by the phrase country first. These heroes assembled in this historic gathering are willing to sacrifice their lives in defense of our freedom, while others have shown the best practices in their own fields of expertise. We have dedicated public servants with us here tonight. Needless to say, these are the very core values that my group, the Alliance of Certified Enforcers, stand for, especially when we aim at raising the bar of excellence in professionalism, blended with the highest ethical standards in the law enforcement sector, as the voice of our country's law enforcement officers. Congratulations to all our heroes tonight. Ako po si Erwin Kulanag, ang founding chairman ng Alliance of Certified Enforcers. Tayo po lahat ay mga Pilipino, taas noo kahit kanino. At ang parangal na ito ngayong gabi ay para sa atin po ito. Sabay-sabay po tayo ngayong gabi, sigaw, mabuhay ang ating kalayaan! Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas! Mabuhay po tayong lahat.